Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get free items on Temu. Let's get started. What you need to do is open the Temu app daily, watch ads, browse products, or answer surveys to earn credits. No invites needed. Then, play games like Fishland or Farmland. Play consistently, no need to refer friends, just time and patience, you can win you free gifts. Next is use promo codes. Try codes like F01780007 or AC1275930 in the coupon center. You can find more from Temu, emails, or Reddit. Then, join social media events. Follow Temu on Instagram or TikTok. Look out for giveaways, contests, or flash promos. Leave detailed reviews or fill out surveys. Temu sometimes reward users with coupons or samples. And lastly, join the influencer program. If you have 300 plus followers, apply to get free items for sharing product content. So stack everything like tasks, codes, reviews, games, and stay active. It's not fast, but it does work. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.